He was a man after God's own heart, but one single decision changed absolutely everything he had built. One evening when kings marched to war, David chose to stay behind in his palace, and in that quiet moment of stillness, temptation found an open door in his heart. His gaze lingered where it should not have, and desire began overruling discipline within him. What began with a single glance quietly grew into a dangerous and destructive hidden sin. A secret messenger moved silently through shadowed streets, carrying words that should never have been spoken. What was done in darkness spread its roots deeper, pulling the king further from righteousness. And instead of confessing his wrong, David chose to bury it beneath layers of deception. Sin never stays small. It demands more until it consumes everything around it completely. To protect his secret, an innocent and loyal soldier was placed in the path of certain death. Uriah, a faithful and honorable man, paid the ultimate price for another man's hidden sin. David sat alone in his palace, but the weight of what he had done pressed heavily upon him. But nothing done in secret remains hidden from the eyes of God, who sees all things. God sent his prophet Nathan to stand boldly before the king with an undeniable truth. And when the truth was spoken clearly, David finally saw the full weight of his sin. David fell to his knees, broken and sincere, and cried out to God for forgiveness and mercy. And God, in his great mercy, forgave him, because true repentance always reaches the heart of God. No one stands above temptation, but sincere repentance restores the soul and brings us back to God. He was a king, but in this moment he was completely broken, stripped of all pride and power. The man who had defeated giants now knelt defeated by his own choices, overwhelmed by guilt. After his sin was exposed, David did not run, did not hide, and made no excuses, like and comment. Have mercy, Lord. Follow loudest path if you want to grow your faith day after day. He did not point fingers or defend himself. He simply broke before God in total humility. No crown on his head, no throne beneath him, just a broken soul crying out for mercy. Tears streamed down his face as the weight of his wrong choices crushed his heart deeply. He cried out from the deepest place within him, a prayer born from genuine sorrow and pain. Create in me a clean heart, O God, and renew a right spirit within me, he prayed. It was not a perfect prayer. It was a desperate one, and that made it powerful and real. A sincere heart always reaches God, no matter how deep the darkness surrounding it feels. Slowly, gently, light began to enter the room, just as mercy began to enter his broken heart. God did not turn away from him. Instead, God drew near to his humble and repentant heart, and God showed him mercy, restoring what sin had taken and healing what guilt had broken inside. No matter how far you fall, true repentance always opens the door to full and complete restoration. God is not searching for perfection. He is searching for a broken and completely sincere heart. Repentance restores. It always has and it always will, because God's mercy never runs completely dry. If your heart feels heavy today, know that God is ready to create something new inside you. Comment the words "Create in me" and follow for more powerful stories of faith and restoration. God forgave David, but the consequences still came. His story is a sobering reminder that forgiveness does not erase what follows. Though David was forgiven, his household was never the same. A quiet tension filled every room of the palace. Peace was broken. What once felt safe now carried the weight of unspoken grief and broken trust. Pain, conflict, and sorrow followed him. David sat alone, carrying burdens no crown could lift. Shadows moved across the palace walls. His family, once united, was now divided by wounds that cut deep. Sin leaves a mark, even after forgiveness. the scars remain long after the storm has passed. Choices have consequences. Every decision plants a seed that grows into something we must one day face. Yet even in his pain, David turned his eyes toward the light. He sought the presence of God. God forgives, but wisdom teaches us to avoid what leads to pain. His mercy is real, and so is the cost. Obedience protects your future. Walking in wisdom shields those you love from unnecessary sorrow. Choose wisely. Every step you take today shapes the world you and your family will live in tomorrow. If you choose to live wisely, let it show in how you walk today. Wisdom is your greatest protection. He fell, but God didn't finish with him. Your greatest failure is never your final chapter. After the pain, after the consequences, David made a choice that changed everything. He chose to rise again, even when the weight of his mistakes felt unbearable. Dawn light filled his room as strength returned to his weary and broken spirit. He drew closer to God, surrendering his pride and opening his wounded heart completely. He wrote songs of worship, pouring every tear and every prayer onto the scroll. He led with humility, no longer relying on his own strength, but on God alone. His heart changed completely, and God saw a man after his own heart once more. And God still used him, restoring his purpose and rebuilding what failure had broken. Your mistakes do not cancel your purpose. God's plan for you is still alive. If you return to God with a sincere heart, He can fully restore your life. If you believe in new beginnings, comment below and follow for more powerful Bible stories.